What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C when we back at it, bro, with another fire video, man. Look, in today's video, yo, we gonna be going over the first month of ownership in the 2021 Charger Hellcat Redeye, man. All right, y'all. Like I said, the first month. All right, y'all. I'm gonna be giving y'all the truth, the good, the bad, the ugly, the beautiful, everything, bruh, from my perspective. All right, y'all. Everybody have different experiences. Everybody have different views on their first month of ownership, man. But look, this is gonna be mine. All right, y'all. So if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man, all that good stuff, baby. Let's get to it. So as far as the first month of ownership with this car, y'all, I honestly feel as though it's been great. All right, y'all, I haven't really had no problems with it. Well, the only problem that I've had with this car, y'all, is that my airbag. All right, my SRT on my airbag is not lighting up. All right, I went back there today. Today is the 29th. All right, I went back there today, y'all. It basically said, hey, we have to order you another airbag. All right, so that's fine. But yeah, that's the only problem that I've had with this car so far, y'all. It definitely catches people's eye, although it's just white. All right, it is what it is. It catches people's eye, man. You know, got the black accents and all that, y'all. Good red calipers, right? So it definitely catch people's eye. I don't really have much complaints about this car, y'all. You know, as far as the gas and all that, y'all, gas really varies. All right, out here for 90, I think it's 92, 93 we have in Hawaii. It's like 372, 373 or something like that. So it all goes off of you, how much you drive it, how much you push it, right? How much you floor it and everything, y'all. First month of ownership, y'all, has definitely been great. I definitely have a lot of stuff that I want to do to the car. Definitely have a lot of stuff that I want to add. All right, this is really just the beginning. As y'all can see, bruh, the rear of the car is coming together. All right. Jeez, this thing look good, man. For sure, for sure. All right, CEEFAM, so we talked about the exterior a little bit. Now let's get into the first month with the maintenance aspect of this car. All right, so as far as maintenance wise, y'all, I didn't really have to do anything to it. All right, I did add a little JLT oil catch can, all right, for my benefit. Well, shit, for the car's benefit, right? For the longevity of the supercharger, longevity of just the car lasting in general. All right, comment down below if y'all know people that change the front brake pads and all that, right, with the power stop brakes and all that. I never did that yet, y'all. I get it, it's brake dust and all that, but I don't know, mine is not that bad. Maybe it's because I don't push the car how, I don't know, maybe some of y'all push your cars hard, maybe some of y'all race your cars often. All right, as far as the oil in this car, I never got the oil change yet, y'all. We sitting at like, I think 1,600 miles right now. I know some people like to change their oil as soon as they get the car, or you know, like to put some kind of other oil, Pennzoil or whatever kind of oil y'all use. Hey, that's on y'all. Oil is oil. You know, there's some oils out there that's better than others, right? But no, I didn't change the brakes on this car yet. No, I didn't change the oil on this car. I feel like the people at the manufacturer or the factory, they wouldn't give us oil in our car that's not gonna last us until the oil light come on. All right, I'm that kind of person, y'all. I'm not saying I'm lazy, because by all means, when it comes to my car, I'm not lazy at all, right? But I do believe in, you know, you just gotta let the car work. All right, this car has a computer in it. This car is smart. All right, y'all, no car out there is dumb. This car will let you know whenever the oil needs to be changed. This car is gonna let you know when, you know what I'm saying, when it's time to get serviced or maintenance needs to be performed. All right, we don't need to take that extra step. I'm not saying waste money, right? Because any money that you put into your car is always good money spent. But at the same time, y'all, we just gotta let the car work. All right, you gotta work smarter, not harder. I'm in the military, so that's what I strongly believe, man. But yeah, so the first month of ownership, y'all, in this car, it hasn't really been too expensive. All right, as far as my expenses, like I just said, oil catch can, I don't know, anything that I personally added to the car. You know, the hood wrap, roof, the trunk, what else? My little vinyls right here, right? The wicker bill that I added, the diffuser, the tail light tent, right? So if you not somebody that like to mod your car and blah, 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 the most thing that you're gonna spend money on, y'all, is gas. All right, gas in this car, it definitely varies, or blah, 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 either that, or you're gonna spend money on just cleaning your car. All right, if you one of them people that like to keep your car clean and you like to have it maintained and up to date, look nice and all that, then that's what you're gonna spend your money on. All right, but yeah, man, first month of ownership in this car, y'all, is definitely great. Let me take y'all to the interior right quick, so don't judge me, bro. I definitely stopped to get some good Dunkin' Donuts, man. Oh, in Hawaii, y'all. Duncan, where it's at. So like I said, yo, we sitting at, I said 1600. So we sitting at 1,744 miles. All right, y'all. We had this car since what, March 13th? Yeah, March 13th. It's currently what, the 29th. Well, y'all can't see that. It's currently the 29th, man. April 29th. So by the time y'all see this video, it'll probably be May something. All right, so I'm trying to make enough videos, y'all, so that whenever I get this car shipped, all right, May 4th, I'm getting this car shipped to Colorado. All right, so by the time y'all see this video, man, this video gonna be kind of old to y'all. All right, so I'm trying to have enough content, bro, that's gonna last me and y'all until I get the car back. All right, so yeah, man, first month of ownership in this car, y'all, has been lovely. I don't have no regrets about buying this car. I don't have no, you know what I mean, I don't have buyer's remorse, right, like people say. Nothing, man. I think this thing is a beauty, bro. Beauty, man. I would definitely advise, look, if you can afford it, bro, buy it. All right, y'all. As far as my tires and all that, we rocking 305s all the way around. I do hit it from time to time, y'all, but it's nothing crazy, man. I hope y'all can see that, you know. So we still got good tread on the tires, baby. Still got good tread on the tires, man. For sure, for sure. You know, I don't be flooring it like that often and blah, 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 you know. So, yeah. I hope I didn't miss nothing, though, y'all. I don't think I missed nothing as far as the first month of ownership, man. Y'all have any questions, bro? Hey, put it down below, all right? I'm going to answer all y'all as fast as I can in the most diligent way. All right, y'all. You know, we still got coolant, still got all that good stuff in here, man. Everything is good. Hasn't really been serviced or nothing like that. Nothing too crazy. All right, so yeah, man, this car is just, bro, dream car, y'all. Dream car, baby. Definitely satisfied with my purchase. Like I said, bro, if y'all can afford it, bro, do y'all thing, man. All right, don't let people try to stop y'all from getting what you want. Don't let people try to influence y'all. Well, they can influence y'all just in the right way, in a positive way, in a way that's gonna push you to be better. All right, you know, so yeah, man, let's get to it. All right, CEEFAM, so look, that will wrap it up for today's video, man. Like I said, I tried to give y'all the first month of ownership, all right, view from my perspective. All right, y'all, everybody have their different experiences. My experience was pretty good, man. Like I said, never had no problems with this car besides my airbag, bro. My airbag is not working, bro. Was not turning red. Okay, they said they was gonna order me another airbag, but I'm gonna have to wait till I get to Colorado, because by the time it come in, I'm not gonna be here. So it's all good, man. Like, at least I'm getting me a brand new one free of charge, right? So but yeah, man, y'all like this video, bro, make sure y'all comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. All right, I'm making these videos for y'all. All right, y'all, I'm trying to cram all these videos, because like I said, I shipped the car, y'all, May 4th. All right, I'm shipping the car May 4th. I'm not gonna have y'all for about 3 weeks, so I'm just trying to knock out as many videos as I possibly can between today, April 29th, and May 4th, whenever I ship it. All right, so y'all can be good. All right, y'all, so with that being said, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. It's your boy C Will, and we got this thing, baby.